Hello children, today we will learn food preservation from the chapter The Food We Eat. Okay, before we start this, we will know about how food is spoiled. Any food item, if you leave 1 or 2 days from refrigerator, then what happen? We see green spots on the food. You can see here the green spots on the food. Okay, they are very small living organism called fungi. These are known as fungi, okay, which are present in the air. Okay, they settle on the food and begin to grow there. And different food items take different amounts of time to get spoiled. Milk spoils very fast. Food spoil fastest when weather is hot or moist, means summer and rainy season. On the other hand, in cold weather, food does not get spoiled so fast. Okay. Now, food preservation. Preservation of food means keeping it safe from getting spoiled. What is preservation? Preservation of food means keeping it safe from getting spoiled. The most common method we can see at our homes is refrigeration. We keep milk, eggs and other food items in the fridge because this can spoil very easily if kept at normal temperature. If we any food, if we take out from refrigerator and leave outside for an hour or more than 2 hours, what happens? It spoils very soon. But how did people preserve food years ago when there were no refrigerators? Many years ago, where there were no refrigerators, then how people preserve food? The most common method were drying and pickling. These are the method, drying and pickling. They use these methods for preservation. Drying is perhaps the oldest method of food preservation. Food is salted to draw out all water and then left out in the sun to dry. Here's salt absorb the water. Okay, in the ancient times, people carried this dried food with them when traveling, and people carried this dried food when they traveling. When even today, people in coastal areas often use this method to dry fish, which they use later. Even today, in coastal areas, people use this method to dry fish. Okay, you can see here, fishes are dried. Okay. And another method of preservation is pickling. Pickling is another old method of food preservation. Salt, sugar, oil and vinegar, which act as preservatives, are added to the fruits and vegetables and kept in the sun for a few days. So salt, sugar, oil and vinegar are added to the fruits and vegetables and kept in the sun for a few days. Pickles are made in this way and stored in airtight jars, last for a long time and do not get spoiled. So pickles are made in this process. Okay. Food can also be preserved by canning and packing. Cooked food is preserved in cans or bottles that have been heated to kill any bacteria. Food can also be preserved in Tetra packs. What is Tetra packs? It is a simple bag in which uh, milk and fruit juices are stored. Okay, Tetra packs to avoid spoilage, especially liquid food like milk and fruit juices. Okay, so there are 5 methods of food preservation, that is refrigeration, drying and pickling, canning and packing. Okay, among these, refrigeration is new method of food preservation which is used by us. Drying and pickling are the older methods which were used due to lack of resources, as earlier refrigerator was not invented and was not so used. Drying is the oldest method and it is still now used in coastal areas. Okay, so drying is still used nowadays. Okay, thank you.